My name is Shari Petersime. I have RP, retinitis pigmentosa. My vision gradually gets, my field of vision gradually gets smaller and things get a little blurrier as time goes on. Glare is a big problem for me, so contrast is really important and things like that. For the last 38 years, I've taught special education at Northeastern. I have a life skills class. We teach cooking, sewing, functional academic skills, vocational things. We have our kids out to work in the community and things like that. They also work in our school cafeteria. Right now I have 7 students and 3 of them will graduate this year, as I will also retire this year after 38 years, so I'm pretty excited about that. I first started getting into assistive technology. I've had a Genie machine at home for many years. I'm not sure how long I've had that, but I have that at home to read with, and that was the only technology that I had for a long time. And then when we went to computers here at school, I had Zoom text installed on the computer and had a larger monitor because the other teachers had laptops, so I had to get a larger monitor. And then about 3 years ago, our school went to iPads, and they gave us all iPads to use in our classrooms, but it wasn't real accessible for me, neither was the training. So I went to the Independent Living Center in Richmond to kind of get some ideas on some technology that could help. And they put me in touch with Easter Seals Crossroads, and I went into the iPad program where they gave us the iPads with the apps that were for visually impaired, and then provided training for those. The training at the Independent Center through Easter Seals Crossroads gave us, initially it was a 2-day training to get us used to the iPad and different things that it could do for us. And then now probably every few weeks or months, I'm not sure, they return to Richmond, and we set up one-on-one hour-long trainings for whatever we need to use it for. For me, I've had some training on how to use the camera, different uses for Siri, how to dictate emails, which kind of the touch typing works, and that sort of thing. Also, on my equipment here at school, I use the Merlin closed-circuit TV to do my reading with. It also works well in the classroom, where if I want to show the kids something bigger, instead of, I just put it on my machine and then turn the screen around for them. The Zoom text on the computer will magnify things. It's kind of the same as on the iPad, where you can just zoom it with your hand. On the computer, I have certain keys to press where it'll zoom it as much as I need to. I also have reverse color, where I have white print against a dark background. That works better for me, or for anyone who has problems with glare. That works a lot better. The closed circuit TV will also change colors. And then for portable use, I also have it's called a Candy Grip, and it's a small CCTV that you could carry to, say, the grocery store to read labels with, or to a restaurant to read the menu, or just something where you can't haul your big closed-circuit TV with you all the time. I would encourage anyone with a visual impairment to just kind of research things that you think might work for you, or figure out what you want to be able to do, and then try to find what will help you do that. I went to our local independent living center, and I had seen some things in a catalog, and since everything looks good in the catalog, I wanted to try some things, which they can loan you things for 30 days to try it out. I got some handheld closed-circuit TVs from them, but each one had some feature that I didn't really like, and so then I would find something that would work better. They can also put you in touch with other organizations like vocational rehabilitation or Easter Seals Crossroads or things like that. For me, I was looking for help with reading, and that's why the closed circuit TV works really well for me, but I was looking for some more portable options. I also like to travel, so I was looking for some things through the iPad that would help with tours and things that I wanted to do that way. So I would just kind of encourage people to just see what their needs, wants and needs are, and then just, there's lots of things out there, and I am a little bit intimidated about technology too, but it's the way of the world nowadays, and with the technology the way that it is, there's got to be something out there to help you do whatever it is that you want to do.